This is your inlet cover, and that comes off. This shows your 3 screws that push against the adjustable wear ring. When they do the casting, they add chrome to the casting material, so it is a very hard.
Can I buff it to? Will it shine if I buff it?
That looks sort of shiny.
Okay. You said this is a movable wear ring. It moves in or out.
Well, you're going to move it in because as it wears, you keep adjusting it in to maintain your tolerance. Your pump will last longer if you maintain the proper distance. The way to check that is with a feeler gauge, a 15 thousandths feeler gauge. Make sure it fits. The function of the wear ring is to prevent your high pressure, the manure on the high pressure side of the discharge from flowing down internally and coming out inside here, because this is your inlet, your suction side. This shows the adjustable wear ring, which will move inside the suction cover. It also shows the replaceable wear ring on the nose of the impeller.
So this comes off.
Yes, that is removable, replaceable. Instead of having to replace your entire impeller, you can replace just the wear ring. If you disconnect your hose and you look in here, you can stick your finger in places where you couldn't before. That means you're pumping sand and not adjusting things, and your pump's worn out.
And we put it back together, and now we can't turn the impeller anymore. So you gotta watch it when you put this. You gotta mark it or do something, because we just made a mistake.
We get to take the bolts apart twice.
Mark here, not there. Always mark it so you don't have to put your bolts in twice. When you're reassembling, make sure you always check if it still spins. You can reach in and turn the impeller. If it doesn't spin, you've got a problem. You gotta fiddle with these bolts more. There's just not much room. You can't get an impact on here at all.